In this video, we will cover bolt replacement on the marine chair in reference to TSB 001-091-2023. We will begin by inspecting the chair. Additionally, inspect the bolts at the chair hinge. If the bolts do not protrude past the threaded insert at least 3/16 of an inch, or if they are no longer fully secured through the threaded insert, the bolts need to be replaced. Verify the date of manufacturing matches the date listed for this recommended part replacement. The date can be found as a date wheel code printed on the plastic base along with the part identification tag. Date may or may not be listed in the TSB. To begin the replacement procedure, remove the screws located at the back side of the chair's hinge using a Phillips head drill bit. Proceed by flipping the chair over and removing the 4 screws securing the seat base to the base plastic cover. Save all screws for reassembly. The cushion will begin to separate from the plastic base and can be fully removed. Next, position the chair to access the bolts at the chair hinge. Using a 1/2-inch socket or a 5mm Allen wrench, remove one bolt at a time. The bolt needing replaced will be fully threaded with a single line of Loctite at the end of the bolt. The new hardware is a shoulder bolt with Loctite covering the circumference of the bolt's threads. The smooth surface on the shoulder bolt will prevent the bolt from loosening over time. Using the 1/2-inch socket or 5mm Allen wrench, install the shoulder bolt. Repeat the bolt replacement on the other side. Ensure that the hardware is tightened to the point that the bolt head makes contact with the inner plastic and the threads are protruding approximately 3/16 of an inch past the threaded insert. After the new hardware is installed, the chair can be reassembled. Place the cushion in the plastic base and reinstall all the screws. Make sure the screws seat into the female thread receivers in the cushion. Do not over-tighten the screws. Over-tightening can cause the plastic receivers to become worn and making the cushion unable to be secured. Secure the front 2 screws just enough so the plastic base engages with the cushion. Lastly, test the chair to ensure it is fully functional.